Yan.
Score is all zero.
Diyan ka. Hindi nakuha ng jump ball.
Andre, rebound by Parks.
Buka.
Bayaw. Pass to kaibigan. Bayaw. Parks. Paul. No good. Rebound by Andre. Andre. Pass to Dogman. Pass to Ambulancia. Next for 2 for 1. Bayaw. Paul. For 2. Short. Rebound by Andre. Pass to Doctora. Wrong pass. Parks. Steal by Paul. Ganda na crossover. Bayaw. Di na kalayuan. No good. Patayan butigi. Calvin pass to Roland to Dex. Short. Rebound by offensive rebound by Doctora. To Calvin. No good again. Dex. Basket. White one.
Sino nag-oras?
Yan.
May oras ba ka?
Meron.
5 and 20. Paul. 4-2. No good. Rebound by kaibigan. No good. Rebound by Bayaw. Pass to Paul. No good again. Andre, rebound. 3 against 1. Andre, tuloy-tuloy. White one. Out of bounds. Black ball.
Isang game pa lang na.
Ay, tatlong game.
Paul. Bats. Back to Paul. Pushing ball. Guard.
Ay, manulak guard.
Paul. Bats for 2. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Same ball. Kaibigan for 2. Short. Rebound by Roland. Roland to Andre. Andre to Alvin Abuela. No good. Alvin. No good. Rebound by Kaibigan. To Parks. To Paul. Parks. Bayaw. No good. Foul. 3 minutes.
3 minutes, 30 seconds.
3 minutes. 3-1. Ball for 2. No good. Rebound by Parks. Parks, di nakalayuan. No good. Rebound by Victor. Offensive rebound. No good. Rebound by Calvin. Calvin to steal by Paul. Paul, pass to Parks. Easy basket. Black one. Andre. Doctora. Pass to Roland. Calvin. No good. Rebound by Parks. Parks. Ibigay kay Bayaw.
Montos naman kayo.
Paul. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Dex. Andre penetrate. No good. Rebound by Paul. Paul, Bayaw. Tuloy-tuloy si Bayaw. White na black one.
3 pa lang. Gawin natin 5.
Next to Calvin. Calvin back to Dokman. Foul.
Pinadali. Wala nang oras eh.
Foul Torpik. Roland. Steal by Bayaw. One and 30.
Score, all 6.
Score is all 6. Tapla po tayo. Bayaw for 2. No good. Rebound by Torpik. Offensive rebound. Basket. Black 1. Lamang po ang black. 7-6. Andre. Pass to Dex. Dex. No good. Andre. No good. Torpik secure na rebound. Kaibigan. Pass to Bayaw. Black 1. Time is 45 seconds. Next. Out of bounds. Last touch by Roland. Marks. Kaibigan. Nice. Black 1. 20 seconds.
Change short pa eh. Ginawa mo change.
10, 9,
Uy!
8,
Kahapon na kahapon.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Change score!
change score. Dos yun, dos.
Change score!
Change score. The score is 11-7. Favor sa black team.
Plus 3 pa. Plus 3 yan.
Okay, start the time. Timer starts now.
Plus 3 pa lang.
Steal by Bayaw. Two against three. Ganda ng sayang. Ambulansya to Doktora. No good. Rebound by Parks. Torpik. Nagdadala ng bola. Diretso. Sayang. Miscommunication. Palyari. Alvin. Pass to Dex. Dex for 2. No good. Black ball. Last touch by Calvin.
Alangan
11-7. Lamang pa rin po ang black team.
10-15.
Paul, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Parks. Di nakalayuan. Pick. Bayaw. Inasinta. No. Paul. Nice pick. No good. Rebound. Offensive rebound. Pass to Parks. Black 1. Andre. No good. Rebound by Kaibigan. Still by Calvin. White 1. 12-8. Ramang pa rin po ang black. 12-8. Torpik. Victor. Pass to Kaibigan. Steal by Andre. Pass to Dex. Doktora. Basket by Doktora. Paul. Paul. For two. No good. Alvin. 3 against 1. Dex. Foul counted. Basket foul. Bayaw. Bayaw. Tuloy-tuloy na. Super layup. Doktora, bumawi. Oras natin ay 5:10. Doktora at ambulansya. Doktora tuloy-tuloy. No good. Rebound by Torby. To Paul. Paul. Ano pa? Di naman sinasadya eh. Di naman sinasadya yun eh. Dex. To Calvin. To Andre. Basket. White one. Score is 13-12. Lamang ang 13. Parts to Paul.
Hindi na lamang si Coach Alfred.
Paul. Wala nang backing. Good. Kaibigan. Basket. No good. Offensive rebound. Black one. Dex to Dex. To Dex. Roland. White one. Basket by Dex.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. 3 and 50. Bayaw. Jason for two. Diretso. Eric. Side step. No good. Rebound by Paul. By the best. Screen. Parks. No good. Rebound by Torvik. Pass to Jason. Bayaw for two. Yan, diretso. Naku, sayang. Parks. Black one. Doktora, tuloy-tuloy. Side step. No good. Sayang. White one. Nag-change na, no? 2 and 46.
Hindi pa matatapos.
Ayaw. Pero Big, ayaw pala sa dun ha.
Low. Napatay na rin.
Tulong. Kaibigan. Black one. Dex to Andre. Penetrate. No good. Rebound by Paul. Wala foul? Okay, good. Tuloy tayo. 2 against 1. Still by Dex. Ambulansya yun eh. Eric to Roland to Malyari. Short. Rebound by the one and only Torvik. Parks behind the back to Paul. No good. Rebound by Dex. Pass to Calvin. Pass to Roland. Roland pick. Pass to Eric. Basket by Eric. Bayaw.
Check.
1 and 12. Bayaw, ganda na crossover. Nice pass to Parks. Kuya Parks, pass to kaibigan. Pass to Paul. No good. Rebound by Andre. Andre to Roland. Roland, 2 against 1. 3 against 1. Foul. Oras po. 30 seconds. 30 seconds na lang po tayo. 29 seconds. 25 seconds. Doktora, basket, white, 1.
Malapit na matapos eh.
13 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, game.